please subscribe to us. So, where'd everybody go? Looks like they're ahead of us. Hey viewers out there! Thank you for watching us, thank you for subscribing. Just wanted to say, as we're getting ahead, I think you might know we've been working with some collaborators, and one of them just mailed us her head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take mine off and show you hers. How about that? Alright, that fits perfectly. Nice. Alright, make sure that you check out this video by clicking in the box here, and make sure that you please subscribe to us and to her. Okay, have a great day. I'm going to do my happy head dance now. Alright. Happy head. Subscribe. Okay, and I'll give you this. Oh, wow! This is such an incredible model. I mean, these are really expensive. I've always wanted to try one.